Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to find the center of a large canvas. In this case, the size of the canvas that I have taken is 50 centimeter in diameter. We just need three objects for our project: an A4 size thick sheet, one 30 centimeter ruler, and one chalk pencil. We need to draw three lines of equal length anywhere on the canvas. In this case, I'm drawing lines of 30 centimeter each. And I'll mark the center of each of the line. That is, I'll make a point at 15 centimeter. Once done, take the A4 sheet and keep it on the midpoint marked with its edge parallel to the line. Use the other edge to draw a perpendicular line as shown. Repeat this process for all the three lines. The point where all the three perpendicular lines meet is the midpoint of our canvas. We can verify this by measuring the length from the center to the circumference of our canvas, which appears to be 25 centimeter, which is right. So this is how we find the center of a large circle. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and like this video for more such tutorials.